Welcome to this guide on how to set up a DTH dish antenna for the best signal. In this presentation, we'll go through step-by-step instructions to ensure you get the clearest reception possible. Introduction. To achieve the best performance from your DTH dish antenna, it's important to correctly position it and fine-tune the alignment. A clear line of sight to the satellite and proper adjustments will maximize your signal strength. Always refer to your provider's guidelines for exact satellite information and angles. Clear line of sight. First, make sure the dish has an unobstructed view of the sky. The signal travels directly from the satellite, so avoid placing the dish where trees, tall buildings, or other obstacles block the path. Use your DTH provider's information to locate the satellite in the sky. Dish positioning. Next, position the dish correctly. Adjust the elevation, which is the vertical tilt, according to your location. Rotate the dish horizontally, known as azimuth, to face the right direction. Finally, adjust the LNB at the front of the dish by rotating it slightly to get the best polarization and signal reception. Signal strength indicators. Most DTH systems provide signal indicators. Access your set-top box menu to view the signal strength and quality. You can also use a satellite finder app on your smartphone to help with alignment. As you make adjustments, watch for the bars or numerical values on the screen to rise. Aim for the highest possible signal strength, usually shown in green or yellow. Fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is crucial. Make small, careful adjustments to elevation, azimuth, and LNB polarization. A slight movement can make a big difference. If you are still unable to lock onto a strong signal, don't hesitate to contact your DTH provider's support or a local technician. Additional tips. Lastly, here are some useful tips. Make sure all cables and connectors are tight and secure. Remember that heavy rain or snow may temporarily weaken the signal, but a well-aligned dish will recover quickly. If any nearby object is interfering, consider removing it or adjusting the dish position slightly. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up your DTH dish antenna for the best possible signal and enjoy uninterrupted viewing. Thank you for watching.